To keep with the theme of holiday keto recipes using shelf-stable ingredients only, we're going to make fried cauliflower bites. Because it's just my husband and myself, I did cut this recipe in half. I will include the full recipe instructions in the description box. So if it's just the two of you, this will be perfect. We're going to start off with a half a cup of almond flour and a half a cup of Parmesan cheese. As you see, it's a 1/4 teaspoon of cayenne, a 1/4 teaspoon of smoked paprika, and 1 teaspoon of garlic powder. So this is going to be the breading for the cauliflower. So I picked up this bag of frozen cauliflower from Walmart. You throw it in the microwave. I think it said to steam it for 4 minutes. I didn't want it to be too steamed. I want it to be nice and firm. I only microwaved it for 3 minutes. You want to cut these up into bite-sized pieces. So for the egg wash, we're going to use 2.5 tablespoons of egg powder to 2.5 tablespoons of water. Once we get this mixed up, we're going to add a tablespoon of the whipping cream. You're going to take the breading, put it in a dish or a plate. We're going to coat the cauliflower by putting it in the egg mixture and then adding it over to the breading. You want to make sure you get plenty of the egg mixture on the cauliflower. This is what's going to give you that nice crust. To fry up your cauliflower bites, I used an oil blend of avocado, coconut oil, and safflower oil. You certainly could use olive oil. I had thought about using the ghee and then decided to stick with the oil. I learned something very important. You want your oil nice and hot. I was concerned that perhaps my oil was just a little bit too hot, turned it down, and the second batch did not come out as nice as the first batch. So good and hot, you want to make sure that you crisp up that Parmesan cheese and toast the almond flour. I plated them up and I sprinkled a little bit of dried parsley, and you could also add a little bit more Parmesan cheese as well. And as you see, when you break it open, it's just really great. You have a nice little crust on the outside, and it's very tender and it's very sweet on the inside. I hope you enjoyed this video, and we'll see you next time.